Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to convert decimal numbers to a fraction. So let's look at some examples. You have 0.4. For you to convert this number to a fraction, you need to know how many numbers that comes after a decimal point and multiply it by 10. So you have solution 0.4 over 1. So this one, you move from left to right, multiply it by 10, multiply this one by 10. So you have 4, so you have 4 over 10. When you divide 4 over 10, you have 2 here, 2, 2 into 10 is 5. So you have 2 over 5. Let's look at this one, 0.06 solution. So this one is 0.06 over, put 1 here, you move from left to right, now 1, 2, here you have 2 tens, that is times 10 times 10. The same times 10 times 10, which is 100. So we have 6 over 100. So 6 over 100, 2 here is 3, 2 here is 50. So you have 3 over 50. Zero 0.028. To convert this number to a fraction, you have 1. You move it from left to right. Have 1, 2, 3. So this is times 1000 times 1000. So you have 28 over 1000. So 28 divided by 1000, you have 2 divided by 28 is 14, and 2 divided by 1000 is 500. 2 divided by 14 again is 7 over 2 divided by 500 is 250. 3.4. To convert this number to a fraction, you need to move it from left to right. So here you have 1 10, so you have 1 10 multiplied by 1 10. So you have 34 over 10 is equals to, so 2 divided by 34 is 17 over 2 divided by 10 is 5.8. For you to convert this number to a fraction, you move it from left to right from a decimal number. So you have, drop a 1 here, so you have 1, multiply it by 10, multiply it by 10. So you have 18 over 10 is equals to, 2 here is 9, 2 here is 5. So you have 9 over 5, 0.25. To convert this number to a fraction, so you need to move it from left to right from the decimal number. So you have 1, 2. multiply it by 100, multiply by 100. So you have 25 over 100. So 25 over 100. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 5 divided by 20 is 4. So your answer is 1 over 4. Thank you for watching.